Hi, I'm John from Autel. Today I want to talk about some of the latest innovations that our team is bringing to technicians. Many of you may have heard about our TS608. In case you're seeing this tool for the first time, here are the basics. We like to refer to the TS608 as 3 tools in 1. It's a touchscreen Android-based tablet that meets the needs of shops handling tires as well as general service and maintenance. The tool includes complete TPMS capability as well as basic diagnostics and service functions. Basic diagnostics refers to the tool's ability to read and clear codes from all vehicle modules as well as code descriptions, live data, and freeze frame data. It also includes service functions such as steering angle sensor calibration, battery registration, and electronic parking brake caliper retraction. That's just to name a few. There's actually 24 in all. I know we talked about this tool including basic diagnostics, but there's nothing basic about the new features that we've added to the TS608. We wanted to reward our customers and offer upgraded software at no additional charge that's going to add bidirectional capability and pro-level features to the TS608. We're talking about advanced capability that includes active component tests, service bay tests, and some basic coding. The TS608 will now have enough power to tackle even the more complex diagnostics. The value is totally unmatched, and the capability in these tools will put them on par with some of the most advanced diagnostic tools that are available. Let's talk about the new cloud-based reporting features that are now available on the TS608 as well. Many of you were asking us for a way to share scan report data across platforms or point-of-sale PCs. We can also share them directly with the customer via text message with this new capability. This new feature brings the advanced vehicle health report sharing to every repair shop at no additional cost. It's an amazing feature. If you already own one of these tools and have an active subscription, the software upgrades will be available once the tool is connected to Wi-Fi. If your Total Care Program subscription is expired, contact your local authorized Autel dealer to purchase an update. Thanks for choosing Autel Diagnostics. We're so proud that many of you rely on us to provide the equipment that helps your business thrive. Thanks for watching.